Can I show you something?
Got some oversized loads in the building today. Wait till you see what we got going on.
Oh. I'm putting in a swimming pool.
10 seconds later.
You alright? Yep.
What happened?
I don't know.
And now back to your regularly scheduled program.
So, what do you do for a living?
I lift things up and put them down.
Excuse me?
I lift things up and put them down.
Just like that.
Boom, out of here.
Set it and forget it.
Set it and forget it.
She's all set, good to go. Next challenge of the day. Welcome to the rock. Get this bad boy up on our chucks.
Boom, out of here.
You sure you're ready for this? Do my best. Your best. Losers always whine about their best. Do you hop on there and ride out with her? Right.
Pause.
Professional rock strapper, Ryan. Maybe I spoke too soon.
Watch out now.
No, drop that dun dun dun. No, don't drop that dun dun dun. Hey, drop that dun dun dun. No, don't drop that dun dun dun. Hey, drop that dun dun dun. No, don't drop that dun dun dun.
Serious boulder.
Oh my God!
This summer, get ready to rock. Several long days later.
Wow, it's been a few days since we've been out here. Got the pool in. Got some plants in. Whole bunch of other works going on. So we'll check out the scene, see what they got going. Like they got concrete pads laid, pulled it all in, working on getting these beautiful caps in. a tad bit different from the last time we were here. Almost forgot. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more.